Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply earn USDT on Binance. It's quite simple. You're going to need a verified account for this. And if you do not have a verified account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, your next step or the most important step is heading over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once there, you're dropped at the overview, which contains an overlook of all your assets, and you can simply scroll to your spot wallet. This is the most important wallet if you're looking to earn USDT on Binance, seeing as it's only with your spot wallet you can engage in the Binance Earn. It's a feature that helps you earn passively while your USDT is locked away. So guys, all you need to do is make sure you transfer your USDT from either your funding to your spot or making sure that your USDT is on the spot wallet. So guys, once it's there, select the USDT and select this Binance Earn option. Click on the Binance Earn and select the flexible USD protected product. Select the flexible payment system. Click on max or however you wish to trade or whatever you wish to lock away. Click on I have read and agree to the Binance Simple Earning Service Agreements. Please make sure you read this page, this paragraph, so you know what you're getting yourself into. Click on confirm. And please, this is not financial advice. I do not advise you to do any of this. Make sure you do your own research before you partake in any of these actions. So guys, your next step now would be to simply take a look at the subscription dates. As you can see, it's not going to be unlocked until after 2 days. So all you need to do now is simply head back to your wallet and you'd notice that the assets in the earning menu, which is just a scroll from the spot, the earning menu has your USDT and you can look at how much it is being held and how much profit is being made. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about any of these and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.